everyone, welcome back to another video from Elbrus Trains UK, and today we're at Bath Spa, located on the Great Western Main Line and the Wessex Main Line. Taking services from Great Western Railway only. If we're lucky, a little bit of freight. The train you saw in the first part of the video was 166 or 165 131, and then the 1011 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern. Here is the is the Class 800. I'll get the number as it goes out. It is the 1013 from Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington, to the rail service. So anyway, we'll catch this on departure. Anyway, let's see what's up here, shall we? Let's get started here at Bath Spa. Enjoy the video, guys. Okay, and she's about to depart in a minute. Here she goes. Sorry about that. It is 802 112. Off that goes. Next off of that is Chippenham. See what's next. Guys, about to come in now is the 1027 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads.
1027 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads.
Okay, we'll catch it when he comes in. Comes. One of the Class 800.
In zones 3 and 8. The doors at the extreme ends of the train are not available for public use.
It is 800 314. Alright, we will catch that one on departure. About to depart now is the 1027 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads from London Paddington. One of 800 314, calling at Bristol Temple Meads only. It's only Hallows. Nice surprise. Anyway, off that one goes. Let's see what's next. About to come in now to 1035 Great Western Railway service to Portsmouth Harbour. And we've also got the 1037 to Cardiff Central. Okay, we'll pause it until she comes. Here it comes. It's one of the 166. One 166 212. And we got another one over here. And it's a one in old livery. Oh, it's going to get a great thumbnail. A great photo there. Alright, we'll catch them on departure. Departing now is 166 212 and 166 209. Double departure. So 166 212 is 2 minutes late. So it's 166 209 first. Nice work from the driver. Then out goes 166 212 over there off to Portsmouth. This one's off to Cardiff. Well, off there goes, let's see what's next. And now we have an IET. It is 800-029. This is a 10:43 to London Paddington from Bristol Temple Meads. Only a teeny weeny little 5-car. Alright, we'll catch that on departure. Right now is the 10:43 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Bristol Temple Meads. One of 800-029. Nine cars, say to 5 cars. You're too small. Anyway, off that one goes to see what's next. And now is 10:54, Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads. It's 9 car. Nice one from the driver. 800-309. Right, we'll catch it on departure. About to depart now is 10:54, Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads from London Paddington. Goes. Right, off that goes, let's see what's next. Just pulling in here is class 166. It's the 1105 to Westbury. Catch us on departure. Now is 166-216 on the 1105 Great Western Railway service to Westbury. Thank you. Thanks for lovely tones. Thanks for lovely tones, driver. So anyway, off that goes. See what's next. Guys, about to come in now is a IET from service to London Paddington. It's the 1113 to Paddington from Bristol Temple Meads. This is the second full last train in the video. We got a Gloucester train and then the video, so I've got to get my train to Bristol. Yeah, we'll pause it till she comes. The IET. It is, well, it's the return, it's 800-314 Oatley Hallows on return. Okay, we'll catch out on departure. Coming in now, we have the final train of the video, and it's a lovely 158. One of my favourite DMUs. So if someone says to Gloucester.
Yates, Camden, Dursley and Gloucester. This train has 2 coaches. Train stops. So 5 and...
It's 158762. Alright, that's forming the delayed 1107 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester. And about to part, we have the 1113 to London Paddington. I can't see someone when they go out. Time now is the 11:13 to London Paddington. And it's leaving 10 seconds early. Okay, off that goes. Let's see what's next, which will be this one behind me, 158762, off to Gloucester. So we'll catch on departure. Right now departing is the delayed 11:07 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester, Weymouth I believe, 158762. Yeah, great thumbnail will be it looking up there. Brilliant photos. Alright, off that goes, and as that goes out, I'll end my video here from Bath Spa. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like what I've seen, make sure you like and subscribe. Any comments or recommendations are welcome, so leave them down below. Bath Spa is a really nice station, and I recommend you visit it. It's really preserved, and it's been given a well preservation. It looks beautiful, lovely dagger boards. They need a bit of a clean though. Anyway, that is Bath Spa, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta!